Good morning everyone, I am Aditya and welcome back to the channel. We are in our resort in Gir right now. It's around 5:30 and we have to leave to the safari at 6:45 and the reporting time is 30 minutes before the departure time, which is 6:15, which is the same place which we went yesterday. So right now I can hear a lot of peacocks all around this resort, but since it is dark we cannot see anything. So hopefully when light hits, maybe we can find some peacock as well. So yeah, we'll go to the safari now and we'll see you there.
The process went smooth in the ticket counter and our jeep was ready. I realized that the ticket is not needed for GoPro, but if you are using a bigger camera, you would need to buy a ticket.
ये ऑपोजिट है, ये इस साइड से जो गए ना वो 1 नंबर है, हम जाएंगे 3 नंबर, रास्ता एक ही है, तो ऐसे आएंगे हम ऐसे जाएंगे। ये जो अभी अपना रूट है वो 38-40 किलोमीटर का है। 4 districts are covered the Gir. Like the first one is the Junagadh, second one is the Amreli, third one is the Bhavnagar, and fourth one is the Gir Somnath. The 674 lion population in the Gir. We have a limited area for the tourist visit because of the pollution, because of the conservation, because lion is only here in Asia. Last few years, increase in the lion population also because of forest department's hard work. Local people are participate in the conservation program also.
We didn't wear any warm clothes as we thought the weather would be hot, but all of us were shivering when we started the safari. So I definitely recommend to wear warm clothes at least for the first hour of the safari.
Leopard है, hyena है, jackal है, Indian fox है, फिर porcupine, pangolin, hyena, so lots of carnivores in the Gir forest sir. उसके अलावा herbivore में है spotted deer, sambar, deer, नीलगाय जो antelope deer रहता है, langur, so total 39 different kind of animal in the Gir, 132 different kind of trees, 27 different kind of grasses, 42 different kind of herbal plants, so total flora and fauna varieties is 606 varieties also. मालधारी tribes है और दूसरे अफ्रीकन टाइप के आपको यहाँ गिर में ट्राइब्स दिखे होंगे, सिद्धि उसको बोलते हैं, सिद्धि पीपल, 2 टाइप ऑफ ट्राइब इन द गिर फॉरेस्ट। आपको देखते हैं ब्लैक जो स्ट्रेचेस है उससे गम बाहर आता है और वो गम से जिलेटिन बनता है, जो कैप्सूल डॉक्टर हमको देता है उसका जो केप वगैरह ये इसके गम से बनता है एंड द साइंटिफिक नेम है स्टर्कुलिया यूरेंस।
The drive in the jungle was serene. Since it was early in the morning, we were able to hear a lot of birds chirping. Our guide even showed us some rare birds, but unfortunately it was not visible from my camera.
बेस्ट सीजन मार्च और अप्रैल, गर्मी, समर सीजन इज द बेस्ट। मानसून सीजन खत्म हुआ, हर एरिया में पानी का नेचुरल वॉर्सेस, वाटरफॉल्स, ये सब जगह पे पानी अवेलेबल है। घास में छिप के वो किधर भी शिकार कर लेगा, किधर भी पानी पी लेगा, तो उसको रोड की तरफ आने का ज़रूरत नहीं है। तो गर्मी में पूरा जंगल ड्राई हो जाएगा। फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट ने आर्टिफिशियल वाटर अरेंजमेंट किया है ऑन रोड के ऊपर। मैं आपको आगे दिखाऊंगा, उस टाइप के आर्टिफिशियल वाटर पॉइंट बनाए हैं। तो ऐसे जगह पे मॉर्निंग और इवनिंग 2 टाइम आपको हर एक एनिमल स्पॉट होने के चांसेस है। Around about more than 200-250 crocodiles. In all over Gir, more than 1,000 population of crocodiles.
Crocodile is nearby. I don't know how much of it is coming in the camera.
फेस के हिसाब से क्रोकोडाइल का जो साइज है वो पता चल जाता है। इसको मल्टीप्लाई करें 7 के साथ तो कम से कम 7 से 8 फीट का है ये, बहुत ही हेवी है। इसको रोज शिकार नहीं चाहिए।
So this is the first view point. This is a huge dam and there are a lot of crocodiles here. The source of the water is the river Hiran, which is flowing towards that direction. And whatever you see the forest that side, they are all national park and
it's not allowed to visit in that region. So we have stopped here for 5 minutes to get some views, and then we'll go forward.
Soon after we visited the dam, our second half of the journey in this safari began. The sun came out and we gladly welcomed it. We crossed a lot of water streams on our way, and each one was equally as exciting as the previous. We came across a lot of animals as we made our way towards the tribal village.
इस तरह के नीलगाय देखो, ये लोगों ने वो नहीं देखा है, वो नीलगाय है, बच्चा है छोटा, इधर ये नीलगाय।
We passed through the village of the Siddhi Tribes. They came to India along with the Portuguese about 300 years ago. The then Nawab of Junagadh allocated the forest area for the tribes so that they can earn their livelihood through farming and herding. Some of them work as guides in the Gir Safari. On our way, fellow guides from other jeeps informed us about the location where they spotted the lions. We were not sure if we would be able to see the lions due to a slight glitch in our jeep, which I'll explain at the end of the video. But thankfully, we managed to see some of the lions in one such spot. Since the area of Gir is huge, we were very excited to see the lions. Overall, the experience of the open jeep safari was excellent. Even though the safari in Devaliya was amazing as we witnessed a live hunt, I recommend you to take this safari as well because this focuses on entirety of the Gir National Park, whereas the previous safari focuses on one small subset of the forest. After all, experiencing the nature in its pure form is such an unknown territory for most of us.
It's 10 o'clock right now and we just finished the safari. There was a delay by almost 30 minutes because our jeep broke down in middle of the forest, and another jeep had to be brought in since there is no network inside the forest, and there were none of the jeeps near our vehicle. So we were just waiting there, and then a government patrolling car came in. So they radioed to the office so that a new jeep can be brought in. So we had to wait at least 30 minutes in the forest because of that, and that's why we came late now, but still we were able to see some lions. So it was a good safari. So right now we'll just go to our hotel, have breakfast and leave for Dio. So that's it for now, and I will see you guys in Dio.